Hello, and welcome to Career Night with Agriscience and Environmental Technologies. Tonight we will cover staff introductions, show you a classroom tour, cover the 7 agricultural career pathways, and spotlight the most common pathways within our program with some highlighted careers. Finally, we will provide you with some resources to continue the career exploration, as well as contact information for the instructors. First, we will cover some staff introductions for the Agriscience and Environmental Technologies program here at OSTC.
Hello, and thank you for joining us tonight. I am Mr. Berry, and I have been an instructor at the OSTC Northwest Campus for 13 years. My primary focus in our cluster relates to plant and environmental science. I enjoy spending most of my time in the greenhouse or outdoors on our campus forested property.
My name is Ms. Gossett. I have been a part of Oakland Schools for 9 years and an instructor for 6 at the Northwest Campus. My focus includes animal and veterinary science. I enjoy teaching students about animal behavior, anatomy and physiology, and helping students compete in agricultural competitions. This is Ms. Nauman. She has been an instructional technician for 4 years at OSTC. She enjoys being outside and caring for her animals. Please enjoy this short video of our classroom.
Welcome to our classroom tour. We'll start out in the core room. All students meet here prior to class beginning, during which an overview of the day is presented. All first-year students then participate in a hands-on lab activity in topics such as plant science, environmental science, animal science, leadership development, and leadership development. Upon completion of the core lesson, students then report to their chosen career area for the next lesson or lab activity. This is our aquaponics room. In the beginning of each year, these tanks are filled with tilapia as students manage our classroom aquaponics tanks. Students learn the needs of fish and plants through a symbiotic relationship and hands-on learning. Students are responsible for maintaining proper fish health through traditional maintenance and water testing. This is our animal lab. Students that choose animal science as their career choice meet here for a daily lesson. Topics include areas in anatomy and physiology, terminology, handling and restraining animals, and clinic procedures. Other topics in animal science include breed identification, animal behavior, animal health care, housing, and nutrition. Here you'll see hydroponics. Students that choose the plant and environmental career area will report to the lab or the greenhouse. Here, each student has their own hydroponic plant that they are responsible for maintaining from the first week of school until the end of the school year. Students learn to germinate the seeds, adjust pH, add required nutrients, identify pests or diseases, prune, and harvest fruit. This is our production house. Each student here is given a crop of succulents or cacti with the first month of school. They must learn to propagate the plant to mature forms by taking cuttings, dividing, repotting, fertilizing, and finally marketing their crop.
The world of agriculture is vast and impacts everyone on a daily basis, from the clothes you wear and the food you eat to the products you use every day. Careers within agriculture are divided up into 7 major career pathways. Many of these careers may overlap into areas like health sciences or electrical and engineering. The 7 major pathways include agribusiness systems, animal systems, biotechnology systems, environmental service systems, food products and processing systems, natural resource systems, plant systems, and power, structural, and technical systems. The 3 main systems we are going to spotlight today are animal systems, plant systems, and natural resource systems. If you enjoy working with and caring for animals of all sizes, you may find a match with an animal systems career. Scientists and technicians in animal systems careers treat diseased or injured livestock, companion and exotic animals, and work to keep them healthy. They also study and research genetics, nutrition, and the development of the animals they work with. Other animal systems careers develop more efficient ways of producing and processing meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. Careers in this pathway will range in forms of education from high school diplomas to 4-year degrees or more. Here is a list of common careers with the animal systems pathway. Some highlighted careers include veterinary technician, veterinarians, and animal biotechnologists. Veterinary technicians are an essential part of the veterinary profession and staff. While acting the equivalent as a human nurse, they have many responsibilities with the clinic that assists both the veterinarian and the client. Some skills can include assisting in surgery, performing diagnostic testing, operating X-ray machines and ultrasounds, or provide key communication with the client about their pets or animals. This career commonly requires a 2-year associate's degree. Veterinarians perform surgery, diagnose illnesses and disease, and prescribe medications for patients. There are many types of veterinarians that can specialize in several areas that could include companion animals, livestock, exotic, visionary, chiropractic, cardiovascular, and many more. This career commonly requires a doctorate of veterinary medicine degree, which is usually 8 years, and then more if you want to specialize in an area. The animal biotechnologist will study nutrition, digestion, and/or reproductive health of animals for clients. Many will assess feed products of quality, monitor reproductive practices and schedules, and develop nutritional plans for producers to utilize with their herds of livestock. This career could require 4 to 6 years of schooling by obtaining a bachelor's and/or master's degree within animal science or animal production.
If you enjoy working with plants, you may find the field of plant science to be an intriguing career choice. Plant systems professionals help feed our growing population by monitoring the quality and safety of our food and helping consumers make sensible nutritional decisions. They also solve problems by developing crops that are resistant to insects and improving models to grow more food with less space. Here's a list of common careers within the plant systems pathway. Some highlighted careers include greenhouse manager, horticulturist, and plant biologist. The greenhouse manager is responsible for running a greenhouse or nursery in the production of plants for food or commercial material. Some of their responsibilities include overseeing the inventory of plants, managing greenhouse equipment and computer controls, and exploring ways to improve processes for more efficient plant growth and harvest yields. The horticulturist oversees research programs for a variety of ornamental and vegetative crops. As a horticulturist, the goal of increasing yield, improving color, size, and in some cases, the taste of the plant are important. A few of their responsibilities include managing crop scheduling for timing of appropriate planting and harvesting, controlling plant growth regulation by monitoring fertilizers, and overseeing seasonal staff and production labor. The plant biologists specialize in topics such as plant breeding or genetics, where they conduct and support research of plant production. They are responsible for developing, conducting, evaluating, and reporting various field research programs in their designated field station locations. Do you always find yourself in the outdoors spending time hiking, camping, fishing, or just generally exploring nature? If so, a career in environmental science would be well suited for you. Career opportunities in natural resource systems are available in both urban and rural settings, in the field and in the lab. Protecting wildlife, maintaining parks, consulting with research groups, and keeping green areas are important needs everywhere. Here's a list of common careers within natural resource systems pathways. Some highlighted careers include conservation officer, aquaculture hatchery manager, and arborist. The conservation officers work to secure and protect natural resources. They assist with research projects or studies to conserve management practices to provide sustained production of forage, livestock, and wildlife. In park settings, conservation officers patrol backcountry areas and other secure sites, providing emergency services, and encouraging visitors to develop a sense of stewardship for park resources. Aquaculture hatchery managers oversee all aspects of aquaculture hatchery, including the management of personnel, fish, infrastructure, and equipment. A few of their responsibilities include tracking fish life cycles to determine the proper time for harvesting or release, looking for disease and treating as needed, and finding ways to trap and breed in an environmentally friendly and economical way. The arborists plant, grow, maintain, and remove trees. They are often on the front line when identifying invasive species that may threaten the health of tree species. A few of these responsibilities include collecting data on the size, age, health of trees, and successfully managing and protecting forests in various stages of health.
To wrap up our presentation, we wanted to provide you with the resources to further explore agriculture-related careers, as well as the OSTC website. You can scan the QR code by using the camera app on your phone to create your own copy of our presentation that you can view at your own convenience. You can use this copy to then explore the provided links to various websites and careers. We want to thank you for attending tonight and spending some time learning about common careers and pathways with agriculture. We have provided you with both instructors' emails if you would like to contact us further. Thank you again for attending Career Night with us. We will now end this presentation and open the floor for any questions you may have.